Hi guys, so today I woke up and I realized I had 100 followers. Yay, my first 100. So excited. Thank you for following me. And I have some cool stories planned for today, so stay tuned and say hi to Spider-Man. Hi Spider-Man. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I am gonna have a late lunch because I had a late breakfast. So I wasn't hungry until now. So I'm just gonna heat up what my mom made for lunch and just eat that. So get the plates and then salad, voila. Salad? I don't know. One of these beef sticks. I don't know if the big one or the small one. I decided to get the big one. Now, some rice. Yummy. Yummy rice. That's enough. And now we put it in this awesome invention called the microwave. For those of us who don't cook that well. Wait, why aren't you working? Ta-da! Ready. Yummy. Okay. Put it in the ready. By the way, it is so cold right now. And because I live in the mountain, it's colder than in the city. So I'm freezing. And this is what I had to do to keep myself warm because my legs are so cold right now. Hi and welcome to General Knowledge. I'm gonna give you some general knowledge right now. Today is Tuesday the 13th, as you know. And you know how there is Friday the 13th for the United States and other people? It's supposed to be like a bad luck day, there's a movie, blah blah. Well, in Latin America and Mexico and some other Latin America countries, there's also Tuesday 13th. So here today is supposed to be a bad luck day as well. Like we also do Friday 13 because we're so close to the border with the United States, so like it's stuck, but also Tuesday 13. So I'm gonna tell you guys where the legend comes from or the myth of it being like a bad or bad luck day. So according to my sources, Wikipedia, it's because the 13 is supposed to be like, it goes back to the Last Supper with Jesus and the disciples. There's supposed to be 12 disciples plus Jesus. So Judas, the traitor, was supposed to be the 13th one, the 13th member. So also in the Bible, there's the Apocalypse chapter or something. I don't know, I haven't read it. But and the chapter 13 within the Apocalypse section, it talks about the Antichrist and the Beast. So also, And also, you know the tarot cards, you know, that they play and you're supposed to get like the future and blah blah blah, I don't know. Supposedly the 13th card of the tarot thingy, it's a reference to death and, what was it? Eternal disgrace. So, meep. So they're probably not very logical and it's all superstitious thing, so, but it's like each to whatever each believes, right? So, I think it's fun to believe in those things because it's like mystery side of life. But what do you think? Do you believe in Friday 13 or Tuesday 13 or not? Personally, I think it's amazing how hotels and airlines and airports avoid the number 13 because so many people are superstitious and believe that it really is bad luck and they wouldn't like buy the 13th room or the 13th floor, stuff like that. I just think it's funny. I don't know. What do you think?
Pues la otra vez, ¿cómo pasaron?
Mi papá se lo sabía.
We're going to the park!
¿Qué dices?
Mi papá se lo sabía.
Jack, you excited? He's so excited.
Tiempos.
Jack, vamos. Vamos. Let's go. Mira, Jack. Mira. Vamos al parque. Get ready.
Tengo este mail que la otra vez te dije.
He's ready to go. Let's go to the park. Let's go, let's go. So me and my sister are taking Jack to the park.
¿Qué estás haciendo con tu vida?
And off we go towards the park. Jack is looking for places to pee. Is that a good place? Yes. No! She's running. They are running. He's so happy. This is a park. Small but majestic. Jack, what do you like about this experience? Sniffing around apparently. Walking around, walking around. Check it out, check it out. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hola, Jack. This is the mountain. It's behind my house. That's the school that I was when I was in elementary school. Yeah, we live really nearby, so we walk here with Jack once in a while. Is that your girlfriend, Jack? Introduce us.
Jack. Sé lindo.
Be nice.
Be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
Hey. Okay,
No,
okay,
no.
that's not nice.
Be nice.
Oh my god.
Be nice. No, no.
Okay. Is this gonna work or not? Oh, how romantic.
No. No. Te estás asustando.
We're moving on. She wasn't good enough for you, Jack. Just let it go, okay? Just let it go.
Let it go, man.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Aquí llevando él. Espera la patita. La patita, mi rey, la patita.
Check out the view. Jack, you're not checking out the view. Hello. And this is the city of Monterrey. I don't know why I'm saying that song. Jack, what are you doing?
Man. No.
It's weird. Walking back, walking back, walking back. He's still peeing. Walking back. The beaches. Oh hell no! Tell them, Jack! Tell them! Jack, are you tired? Oh no. Big dog. Let's go. Univa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No flirting. No flirting. Jackie's tired. Go back home. Run. Run for your lives. Run. and I'm walking because I'm late. Back again. That's it. Workout for the day.
Ya llegamos, ya. Ven, sube, arriba. Arriba.
Somebody's thirsty. Drink. Jack, did you enjoy your walk? Tell us about it. Okay. Hey, so I'm going for dinner to this sushi place that I like a lot, that it's called Wok. And I'm meeting my friend Diego, who just came back from being in Germany for a year. So he's like my best friend and I haven't seen him in a year, so the reunion! Let's go! So here I am, and here he is! Diego, stop!
Hi.
He is my best friend! And
¿Sigues grabando?
yeah, and he's like back from Germany. How was Germany?
Really cool.
Wait.
Eh.
Okay. Hello. As you can see, I'm ready for bed with my onesie. Yay. Because it's cold right now. But before I go to sleep, I'm gonna read you a bedtime story. No, maybe not tonight. No. Aha! This is what I'm in the mood for. Here we go. So this has many short stories. I think for tonight, Voodoo Girl. Voodoo Girl. Her skin is white cloth and she's all sewn apart, and she has many colored pins sticking out of her heart. She has a beautiful set of hypnotist guys, the ones that she uses to hypnotize guys. She has many different zombies who are deeply in her trance. She even has a zombie who was originally from France. But she knows she has a curse on her, a curse she cannot win, for if someone gets too close to her, the pins stick further in. Good night.